Budapest and beyond! A ruin is all that remains of this 13th century convent, built by King Béla IV, where his daughter St Margaret took the veil. According to the story, the king promised to commit his daughter to a life of devotion in a nunnery if the Mongols were driven from the land. They were, and she was. At 4 years of age, his daughter Margaret began her life right here. A red marble sepulcher cover, surrounded by a wrought-iron grille, marks her original resting place, and there's a viewpoint overlooking the ruins. Canonized in 1943, St Margaret commands something of a cult following in Hungary. But I'm doing a whole special episode on the life of St Margaret that will delve into her chaste yet also surprisingly rebellious life. Other than that, there is not much to see in the convent ruins, but it is a wonderfully peaceful setting, and if you use your imagination, you can try to visualize how this place must have been. No tourists, just a bunch of nuns in a convent with deer and rabbits running amok outside the walls.